Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Walmart pharmacy services? This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and put some things out on the table right now. So there are other things that you can go ahead and do it without using the website simply. So first things first, for mail order pharmacy, you can simply go ahead and call this number right over here, as you can see, or you could also use the prescribed fax, or you could also use this exact address to go ahead and order it with a free shipping to your home for maintenance, medication, and 90-day supplies, right? There's also specialty pharmacy that you can call right over here, or you could also go to their specialty pharmacy page. And finally, they also have pet pharmacy pages. So let me just go ahead and show you all of it very thoroughly. So for example, if I search for Walmart pharmacy, as you can see, pharmacy online RX refills is going to pop up, and this is where you can simply go ahead and get your refill prescriptions, and you could also get your maintenance medications and stuff like that. And if you want to go ahead and get specialty, just simply search for specialty pharmacy Walmart, just like that. And once you've done that, as you can see, specialty pharmacy is also going to pop up. This is where you can simply go ahead and get your special, for example, HIV specialty pharmacy, specialty medications, HIPPA, PAA forms, and many more. So if you want to get a vet, you can also go ahead and click on pet pharmacy directly from here only, and you can go ahead and get anything for your. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.